ARGO 500 with HYPERSPEED system is ready to double your productivity by offering a leap forward in the modern industry. It means more work in less time without losing quality. Let's see what changes.
The images you can see outline a daily situation for operators in the field of 3D printing. In a controlled environment, the operator starts the printing process. As time passes, the benefit of HYPERSPEED system becomes evident. The HYPERSPEED solution has significantly overcome the conventional barriers of speed and productivity. This is not just a measurable advantage, it is a tangible representation of a substantial advancement. The operator has already completed the first production and is starting the second one, illustrating not only an increase in speed, but a revolution in operational management and efficiency. This evolution is the result of innovative elements developed to reach new levels of productivity. The first element we want to focus on is our patented system, the Smart G-Code. The ARGO 500 with HYPERSPEED system offers a unique solution on the market to optimize printing time during the dual extrusion process. In particular, the Smart G-Code, thanks to an advanced extrusion system with active cooling and an optimized algorithm, has reduced the switch tool time by 92% compared to the previous solution, thus slashing the standby time required for switching materials. This innovative approach results in a significant reduction of the printing time and an increase of machine productivity. In detail, for example, on a print with a dual extruder in Carbon PA Pro and Kronos S1, for the same job, we have a reduction in printing time from 26 hours to 16 hours, for a total weight of 550 grams of material. Therefore, assuming annual scale production, we have an increase in productivity of the printed parts by 62%. This new printing strategy also leads to less chance of contamination, with a consequent increase of printing quality and a significant reduction in auxiliary material process. Specifically, we have an annual reduction of about 4.4%. It also reduces machine downtime for maintenance of the cleaning box and brush by 90%, increasing machine productivity. The ARGO 500 with HYPERSPEED system is equipped with a new feeding system, the Polyflow X, designed by Roboze engineering team. This prevents slippage and ensures a push of the filament inside the extrusion head almost 2 times stronger compared to the previous version. The tests carried out show how the new feeding system increases the traction strength of the filament by 1.5 times with PEEK and 1.7 times with Carbon PEEK, as well as 1.3 times with Haltem and 1.6 times with Carbon PA Pro. Moreover, the Polyflow X system includes an advanced feature that improves filament sliding, making movement detection over 82% faster than before. This quickly identifies filament issues, reducing material waste and preventing printing stops. The Polyflow X system has a double pinch mechanism that ensures a steady flow of material and keeps the system strong even when the filament diameter changes or when using polymers of different hardness and abrasiveness. The Polyflow X has been engineered to reduce maintenance time, with a lifetime going from 250 hours to 1000 hours, while increasing the machine productivity. These innovations give us the possibility to rethink print profiles in order to meet the different customer needs. Whether you are looking for the definition or printing speed, the HYPERSPEED system introduces a new dimension of agility in 3D printing. Let's talk about our 4 different printing profiles. Ultra quality profile with 0.4 nozzle. This profile is chosen when the main requirements for printing is surface finish, for small size components and thin walls below 1 mm. ideal for projects where detail is crucial. A specific application example is the production of axial flux motors in carbon pitch, a material that ensures excellent thermal and mechanical performance, suitable for the automotive and aerospace sectors where precision and lightweight are crucial. Quality speed profile with 0.6 nozzle. This profile combines speed with good surface finish, offering an ideal mix of applications. A practical demonstration of this balance is the production of propellers in Carbon PA Pro, which combines lightness and robustness of a maritime or aerospace application, where performance and wear resistance are fundamental. Hyperspeed profile with 0.6 nozzle. Designed for high-speed printing. This profile is your ally in completing multiple printing jobs and medium-sized components quickly. An example is the production of cooling ducts for brakes in carbon pitch, essential in the motorsport sector to ensure optimal brake performance under high thermal stress, leveraging the lightweight and thermal resistance of the material. Productivity profile with 0.8 nozzle. With this profile designed for large-scale prints, productivity is maximized by achieving prints in short times. A typical application is the production of labeling wheels in Carbon PA Pro, used in the packaging industry for their wear and corrosion resistance, ensuring long-lasting durability and reliability in intensive industrial environments. Each profile is engineered with your needs in mind, for an optimal printing experience based on your project requirements. ARGO 500 with HYPERSPEED system is a leap forward in 3D printing, promising productivity doublings, process innovation and customized printing profiles that redefine precision and speed. With relevant improvements and new materials introduction, a new world of possibilities opens up in key sectors. To explore how your business can benefit from this innovation, get in touch with our expert now and join us in the new era of additive manufacturing.